Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my catch-all happy planner using the Give Thanks ReddHeadStickers kit for the week of Thanksgiving, the 20th through the 26th of November. Now, this kit is actually retired from her shop. She does have a Thanksgiving kit this year, but she doesn't do the mini kits anymore. This is a different way that she's been. She reformatted her kits, so this is a retired kit, but I hoard stickers and I don't like giving them up, so I haven't used this kit since last year when I bought it during her winter blowout sale. So we're gonna use this kit for all of the fun Thanksgiving plans and things, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into the spread. I did not share last week's plan with me because I'm going to be honest with you guys, I did not have time. I thought I was going to have time to share it, and time got away from me and I was not able to. So many apologies about that, but we're doing one this week. I think I'm actually going to use this washi for the spine of the planner. You guys know I hate spine colors. I don't like that it's rainbow. I don't like it. It's not my favorite, but you know, to each his own. I guess the spine color is not really going to be an issue very soon, but for now we got to work with it. So are you guys doing anything fun for Thanksgiving? Are you celebrating Thanksgiving? Because I know some people don't celebrate Thanksgiving. That's totally okay. We are hosting Thanksgiving this year for my sister's friend and their partner. So that's exciting. I haven't had Thanksgiving off since I started working for Disney. And that's not really surprising. I don't really mind not having Thanksgiving off anymore. I do mind having Christmas off because this year my family's coming. But for Thanksgiving, not a big deal. But anyway, going back to my discussion, we are hosting a Thanksgiving this year. So got to make sure we have a clean list and tons of things like that. We hosted Thanksgiving last year as well, and it was a lot of fun, and I'm excited to do it again this year. Okay, let's put the sidebar on. I absolutely love this. It's so cute. Like, it's just such a fun little thing. She still does have sidebars on her kits. You can get the kit full, like the full kit altogether, or you can choose a la carte, and you can pick what sheets you want in ReddHeadStickers shop. So if you guys are wanting to get yourself some kits from ReddHeadStickers, don't forget to use my code. And oh my gosh, I have to show you guys my freebie for this year, for this season. Look at it. It's so cute. This is her new character called Fufu. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. Like, look at I love it. It's a little snow globe, you guys. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. Sorry, I just had to show you that adorable freebie because it's so cute. So anyway, that's the situation. That's what we're dealing with. I don't even remember what we were talking about. I just got too excited about the freebie. Pretty normal for me. I do get distracted very easily. Oh yeah, Thanksgiving. So we are hosting Thanksgiving, so I've got to make sure I've got a lot of to-do lists this week because I don't really know when I'm going to have time to do other things. So, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so crooked. It's so crooked. It's hilariously crooked. We're going to line it up right at this line here so that I don't mess it up again. I think it might actually be the work sticker that's crooked. So are you guys doing Black Friday? Are you shopping? What are you shopping for? Let me know. I want to know what you guys are doing. I already did my Black Friday shopping because I knew that I would not be able to do a ton of Black Friday shopping on the actual holiday. So I elected to do a little bit of pre-Black Friday shopping for this year. I know I had mentioned in some of my other videos that I was going Black Friday shopping, like for realsies, but I had to go through my finances and I was like, you know what? It would probably be better for me to just, I cut that so crooked, I just wanted to like do my Black Friday shopping early, pretty much. That was a very long explanation for something that did not need to be long, but are we surprised? Probably not. Okay. But yes, are you guys doing Black Friday shopping? And if you are, who are you shopping with? If you need any codes, I got you. I got plenty of people who I am on a PR for and who are doing Black Friday sales. Growing Modestly, ReddHeadStickers. She's got some really cute little, I don't know what I'm doing here, really cute little freebies. So if you guys want to save yourself some money and get your kits, it's a good time to do it. Let's put our weekend sticker down. We're going to put it at the bottom. And I'm going to get the sidebar, give thanks, and we are going to put that here. And a cleaning list. Right here. Okay. Let's get a Phoebe cleaning. Let's do, we should have one. I mean, I have one if I don't have it on here. It doesn't look like there is. But that's okay, because we can get our own. Okay. I'm going to... Oh, here, let's use this guy because it is Thanksgiving. Put it there, along with our turkey gobble gobble. Ooh, I bent it. Turkey gobble gobble is gonna go here. And then this is gonna go here. Okay, gonna put it all the way at the edge. There we go. And we'll do our pie there. And we're going to go back over here. Actually, we're going to take the pie out. Whoopsie! I ripped the page. It's okay. Don't tell anybody. And we're going to put this one there. We're going to put pie over here. Maybe. We'll see. Ooh, actually, we layered it just right. Ah, perfect. Okay. Because then we can put this guy put it here. And then this guy right here. Perfect. Look at that. Oh, that's so cute. Alrighty. Put another checklist right there. And we will use this label for, actually, we will not use this label. We will use this one that says important. So I don't think I have a to-do on here. There we go. Okay, but we can use this. I don't know if I want to use this label. We'll hold off. We're going to use one of these bills. And this one. And the gray. Okay, so Tuesday is payday. So we're actually going to put it here. Bills, all of the bills. And there was a, here we go. I was going to say there was a payday Phoebe. Okay, I'm going to put her here. And put payday. Right there. We do have to do our grocery shopping on Tuesday of this week because I'm going to put it on Wednesday, but I know it's for Tuesday because Wednesday is going to be crazy insane for Black Friday, or for Black Friday, for Thanksgiving, last minute shopping and such. So, gonna do that. Meal preps, gonna be on, we're not gonna be doing meal prep, but we do have meal prep that we have to do for our hosting. So we're gonna put a box down for that. We do have some meal prep that needs to get done. So that box there. And an orange, should be orange. Yeah, let's do a darker orange. Okay. Meals. Planning day is still going to be on the weekend. And I do want a box for that. I think we could probably use the lighter orange for this one. And we're going to put gray. And our Phoebe planner. Girl, whoops. Come on, there we go. Okay. So planning is still going to be for Saturday. And I think laundry day, let's see. Laundry day is going to be on Wednesday. So let's put our laundry day girl over here. Okay. I don't know if I need any more of this sheet. So trash day is going to be on Thursday. I know for a fact we are going to need to do trash on Thursday. So let's go ahead and get that down. I'm going to put it on Friday though, only because there's not any room for it on Thursday. I think I have a trash icon in my reusable sticker book. It's not black and white, but that's okay. Okay, and then I do want to put one more little checklist here, and this is actually not from the kit. This is from my reusable sticker book, but I need another list for things to get done just in general after we're done with hosting and after I'm off. So let's use a label, and we will put I think we'll use this one from this sheet, and now that one is done. So this will be our label for this day, and I don't think I have a title. I might have one in my reusable sticker book though. I found a to-do list in my reusable sticker book. It's not quite the same color, but it'll work. Because I needed a to-do list. So I was able to save that. Okay, and then the last thing we're gonna do is add the autumn bucket list, because there is some Thanksgiving things in here. So we're going to just sprinkle these around the page so that we've got some fun little Phoebes all over here, even though some of them are black and white and some of them aren't. It's fine. All right, everyone, that is it for this week in my catch-all planner using the Give Thanks kit by ReddHeadStickers. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this kit is retired, but you can get a Thanksgiving kit if you are still looking. I know that Thanksgiving is literally happening this week, so you will not receive it by then, but you can always get it for next year because that's exactly what I did. Don't forget to mention my name in the notes section during her Black Friday sale so you can get my adorable little foo-foo freebie. Like I said, this is what it looks like. It is adorable and so much fun, and I am just obsessed with it. I think it's so cute. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to check out the description box. There are playlists related to planning and crafting content, as well as vlogs and lots of fun things for you to check out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already so you are notified when I post new videos. And keep an eye out for my 2024 planner lineup coming very, very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving or a wonderful holiday or a wonderful week if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys!